Here's a small project I'm going to finally start on. It's an old edge trimmer. Power trim. Older Briggs and Stratton. Guessing probably a 3.5 horse from the looks of it. It's intact, it's old. I actually did start it when I first bought it. I picked it up at a thrift store for $5. Started it and then put it away, and it's been sitting for a few years. So I'd like to get it running. I haven't used a edge trimmer at my house here. Haven't had one here before this, and it shows. So I'm gonna get into this. I'll keep you posted. Okay, just blew off all the cobwebs and leaves and stuff. Giving it a closer inspection now. Everything looks dry, and I don't see evidence of previous hacking. It looks pretty complete. Looks good, actually. Everything's so dry, though, it will need a service. I do see it's missing a cover bolt, and the screen is gone, so it has been opened, but not hacked up anyway. I'm going to change the oil because I noticed there's almost none in it, and there's no point in filling that up just to drain it again, so I'll go ahead and change that while I service the rest of it. Okay, my memory card filled up just as I cracked that loose, and it bit me. A couple drops of water in there. At least it did have some oil, though. Not very much, though. Recoil's being finicky. I'll have to work on it. is working. Still needs plenty of work, but it does function. I'm going to need to address the recoil. It's sticking and screeching, as you've seen. The foam in that air filter element's wasted. And I think I need to clean the carburetor. It does not have an idle circuit. But it is functioning. Could probably use a new blade. That one looks pretty worn out. And I just discovered I have a lot of rocks in the ground next to my sidewalk, so it's probably going to be hard on the first couple of blades I get for it. But anyway, it's getting there. I'll update you when I have more.